Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in this video, I am going to be doing my claims and showing you how much we have made for the week supplying liquidity on Uniswap V3, and as well as I'm going to show you my extra pool that I only put $150 in, so you can see that, and also I'm going to show you my Sui position as well. But before we get into it, if you could please hit the like button, subscribe down below if you want to, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter, links in the description. Subscribe to the email newsletter. The Discord servers are also down there if you're interested in joining the free one. We also have a premium group where we do calls multiple times a week discussing all things DeFi. And also we talk about passive income, right? New projects that are coming out, what positions people are adding to liquidity and all that good stuff, this meme coin run and all that good stuff. Also, I'm going to have a video coming up in either today or in a couple of days on my whole thoughts on the meme coin situation, how you could potentially earn some good money upcoming in the next few weeks. But with that said, let's jump into the video now. I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about where you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. Also, disclaimer, it is 1 a.m. on a Sunday evening right now. I'm pretty tired, but I wanted to record this video because I'm already a few days ahead claiming. So if you don't know, Fridays are usually the day that I claim from my liquidity pools. I claim the fees each week on a Friday. This week's been a bit different. I've been pretty busy over the weekend from Friday, so I didn't really manage to get a chance to do my claims. So I'm going to show you them now. Obviously, the market has taken a bit of a hit over the past sort of day or so. So some of the positions are out of range, but I'm going to tell you my thoughts on that as well. It's probably a good thing that they are, so I can show you live on a video what I do when they do go out of range. So let's jump into it. So first things first, I want to jump over to DeFi Llama and show you how things have been going. Just in DeFi overall. So we want to click all. I don't know why this is just selected on base. That is not correct. But we want to go to the last sort of 10 days since that's when I last claimed. We want to select volume. And let's go all the way to here. We want to do the last 10 days really. So from the 8th of this month. So you can see volume from the 9th was 5.95 billion. We had 8 billion, 9 billion, 9.5, 8.9. And then the other day was 10 billion. So you can see the volume has been pretty high. I mean, we have a $13 billion day in terms of volume 3 days ago, which is pretty crazy. So volume's been up. And the reason I show you this is because when volume's up, that means people are swapping more, which means we make more money. By supplying liquidity, because when people swap, that's when we earn a portion of that swap. So that's why more volume means more gains. So let's take a look at the pools. So this is how we've been doing overall for this week. Let's click all chain so we can see how everything's been doing. Let's give this another little refresh here. This is Aperture Finance. There will be a link in the description to Aperture. This is where you can manage pretty much all your pools. Okay, and let's bring up a calculator because we have made $94 here on this Ethereum to USDC pool. We've made $24 on Polygon. We've made $179 on Ethereum and USDC. We've made $74 on AVAX and USDC, $245 on ARB and USDC, and $60 on Optimism and USDC. So let's go ahead and add to this calculation. So we have made $94 on this one. We've made $24 there, 179.90 there, 70, it's rounded up, $75 there, 245.66 there, and $59.10 there. So far that is $677, and you can work out the math of how much we're farming with. This pool is down. If you remember, probably from my last video, this was about $7,100 in yield. So yes, we've lost about 1,100 in the actual liquidity amount, but we've generated a lot of fees. And again, I'm not really looking at this initial amount that I've deposited because again, I'm more focused on the passive income this provides. I know this is going to swing. These numbers are going to swing pretty heavily depending on what the market's doing. But as long as this money's in there and I'm not really touching it, then it will go up and down as the market does its thing. So far we are at 677 for the week. Now, if we take a look at the extra pools, which we need to swap over to the base mainnet, and we need to connect up our wallet here. So let's see. So we're up 37% on this one, up $55 on that one, plus up 271. So we're earning $3.53 a day here. So what's that? So 677. So 353 times up by 10 days plus 677. So currently at $712 for the week. And then if we go ahead and take a look at what we have made on turbos. So on turbos right now, and this is on the Sui network, you can get 276.96% on Sui to USDC. You can get 87% on USDT and USDC, and just a bunch of other opportunities, right? So if we go over here, I did go ahead and add the other $1,500. If you remember, I mentioned a while ago I was going to add an extra $1,500 to this pool. I did go ahead and do that, and we have $95.52 in unclaimed fees for the week. So 95.52. So we're up $807 for the week in fees, which isn't bad at all. That's a pretty damn good week, if you ask me. This is how the fees are distributed. We've earned 15 Sui here, 24.23 in USDC, and another $47 in Sui rewards as well. And this is my range. My range is between 150 and 193, and that is currently earning, when this APR loads, that is currently earning 394.82% per year. Now, if I remember correctly, last night when I checked this before I logged off, this was saying like over 800% APR. So yeah, this does change quite heavily depending on what the price is doing, the market's doing. But if you want to find some of these pools and you want to find some pools, then I will leave a link down below to Crystal. Crystal is a network where you can pick the chain that you want to launch some yield on, or you want to put some liquidity in, and it will find you the best pools for that. You can see the API, you can see the TVL, you can see the blue chip pools, best stablecoin pools, etc. Now, I only go for TVL more than a quarter mil, but again, that's completely up to you, of course. It's just my personal preference. So there's a lot you can do here on Crystal. You can pick the chain that you want to, put liquidity in, and it will show you some of the best pools that you can do that on. So if you take a look at base, you can see some of the best pools right now. ETH USDC 182%. Dine USDC is getting 168% a year. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of opportunity for yield right now in the supplying liquidity marketplace, or niche, if you like, or niche, however you say it. So yeah, there's a lot of opportunity right now. Lots of stuff going on with DeFi. Now, what I typically do is I'll go ahead and claim all these fees. I'll go and claim out of everything, and then kind of just sit on the rewards in my wallet, claim it and send it to USDC or a stablecoin, sit on the rewards, and then either reinvest that another time of the week, or I will go ahead and cash it out into my bank account for living with, right? So there's lots of things. Or I'll go and buy some altcoins and meme coins with that, depending on what I feel like the market's going to be doing, where I feel like the best opportunity is. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Just thought I'd show you everything for the week. Again, it is 1 a.m. on a Sunday night, so I do apologize if my voice sounds a bit ropey, or things are a bit all over the place in this video. I do apologize. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.